a very simple and creative sprite ad. This is the size. All right, this is the size. All right, okay. Now, right here, I have some stuff I have put already. Okay, this is what I want to work on first. I'm going to bring it to the front like this. What I'm going to do is I will duplicate it like this. All right, this guy I'm going to make it white because it's already green, so I'll make it white so that I can make sense, but I will still maintain that yellow on top there. So to do that, I'm going to clean this one here. So I'll bring this, and I'll clean everything here. All right, clean this. All right, so this yellow, this is the yellow. Then I'll bring this guy, I'll clean just this part out. All right, you see that? Okay, so this is the one I can turn to white now. Then I'll bring this guy, put it, fix it here like this. Right, then I can, no, not this. So this one I can come over here and get it back. Then I'll merge both of them together like this. So we've gotten the logo, okay, the way we want it. So I can just come over here and I'll put it there. All right, so this is the color we'll be working with. This color here, put it over here. All right, so you notice at the bottom this part is here, and then top we're still going to use the yellow. So let me bring this guy here. Not this guy. All right, so I'm bringing this guy here. All right, okay, so I'm going to duplicate it and cast a shadow with it. So I'll just do this and make it all black, and then I'll come over to what's it called, opacity, and I'll just reduce it like this. So I'll bring this guy to the front like this again, then I'll cast it here. All right, okay, so we have something like this. Now what I want to write here is going to be maybe refresh yourself or enjoy yourself. Okay, so I'll push this guy here, okay, and I'll push this other guy. So let me lock this. So I'll move this here. All right, so I'll bring a text and I'll write something, then refresh. I'll make sure that it's going to be a big color like this yellow. Then I'll make sure that the font is a long font like Bibans. I'll stretch it from here to there like this. Okay, and I'll close the space like this, and I'll still drag it from there to here. I'll centralize it and take it down. I'll send it to the back. Okay, so I'll bring this guy here. All right, it's cool, right? Okay, so I'll I'll copy this and I'll bring it here. I'll make it white. I'll write yourself. I'll reduce it. I'll stretch it out like this. I'll make sure that it's centralized. Okay. So what about we bring this down here? Okay, I want this guy to be very visible, so I'm going to put it here. Right. Okay, this guy should be around here, but if I bring it to the front like this, right, front like this, this one, okay, so right here I'll write just something. Right, grab a shield can or Sprite and quench. Alright, so I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna use this where there's Sprite. I'm going to make it bold with this. Okay, so I have something like this. All right. Okay, so we'll go over here. I'm bringing this to the front. I'm bringing this to the front. Yeah. Okay, so I can remove this guy. I can remove this guy. All right, so where are we going to put this refresh so that it makes sense? That is where I'm looking at now. All right. All right, so I'm bringing this here. Okay. Copy. Okay. All right, so we have something like this, but it's not perfect yet. So I'm going to bring this maybe here. Okay, we're almost there. Now I'm going to change the font for this guy. Okay, so let's go to padding and do this. All right, so we just have one more thing to do and then we're good to go. And that's what bring this guy in. Let's see where it's gonna be. It looks like there's no need for it. Right, I think these leaves are very perfect. I'm just going to drag one and put it here and send it to the back. Right, I'll bring this guy also and I'll drag it like this. I'll put it here, I'll send it to the back. That one should come to the front. around here and see. No. All right, I think the bottom part is okay. So we have something like this. All right, so we can go ahead and save it. So you just save it. First save as an image, and then save it also as a project. So I save it as an image first because I want to go and edit it. So I'm going to Snapseed now. I'm going to go over here. I will select the design. All right, so you can touch one or two, but I want to go to this. All right, I will go again. Now see what we've got already. So we have this, right? Cool. You see how it is. Then I'll come over here and I'll do this. Okay. All right, so this is the first and this is the second. Okay, so if you wanted to add more, you could come over to here and click on pop, and then it pops out like this for you, and then you go ahead and save it. All right, so click on save and export. My name is Ni Yamuda, and I hope to see you watching more tutorials from this channel. Tell me what you think about this video and where you are watching from. I will see you in another tutorial.